Well, it was a gruesome murder case that made international headlines, and soon Luka Magnotta will have his day in court. Before that, though, the jury has to be chosen. Hundreds of prospective jurors were summoned to a Montreal courtroom this morning. As Mike Armstrong reports, finding 12 impartial people won't be easy. Mike?
Well, Donna, the process to find a jury in this case is massive. 400 people were summoned here to the Montreal courthouse this morning. That's on top of 400 for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. That's 1,600 people to find 12 jurors and 2 backups. The day began with the judge addressing the first group, outlining what is expected of jurors and what would be a legitimate reason to be exempted. Magnotta sat to the side, barely recognizable. He's put on weight and barely moving. He appeared to avoid even looking around. Prospective jurors, on the other hand, strained their necks to see the infamous man in the prisoner's box. Magnotta's lawyer says his client has been surprised by the scale of the proceedings.
He's probably a little shocked, actually, by what's going on.
Luka Magnotta is accused of the murder and dismemberment of a Chinese student in May of 2012. He's also charged with producing and distributing a video of the crime, as well as harassing Prime Minister Stephen Harper.
My name's Luka.
Now, a big problem with finding a jury for this case is the infamy of the crime and the suspect. The details were widely reported in the media. The judge has to find 14 jurors who can be impartial.
They have to listen to the evidence which is presented, not some preconceived idea of what the case is about.
Now, prospective jurors lined up outside courtroom 501 asking to be exempted from serving. The most common reason was language. The trial will be in French and English, so they need bilingual jurors. Several people were dismissed after insisting they'd already made their mind up about the case and wouldn't be impartial. Some said they'd seen the video already. Another said he couldn't take the sight of blood. Only 87 people today did not ask to be exempted. Once the numbers are eventually whittled down, the judge and lawyers will start jury selection next Monday. The defense and prosecution will each be able to reject 22 people. Now, with those numbers, the judge said today he's confident they will find a jury. The trial itself is slated to start September 22nd and is expected to last 6 to 8 weeks. Donna?
All right, Mike Armstrong in Montreal, thanks.